Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking Essentials, your operating system and the exact name or path you plan to run. Once done, open the Run interface. Win+R on Windows, Command+Space on Mac OS for Spotlight, or Alt+F2 on many Linux desktops. Make sure to type the program name or full path precisely. Small typos stop execution. You want a quick launch, so prefer executable names for common apps and full paths for scripts. This sets you up to execute with confidence and minimal friction. Now execute the command with any needed options. You should include flags or arguments app, exe/safe or script, shv, because they change behavior. If the path contains spaces, wrap it in quotes and use environment variables like %appdata% or $home to avoid long paths. Once done, decide if elevation is needed. Choose Run as administrator or usudo. Elevated mode lets installers and system tools complete tasks. This middle step is where control and safety both matter, so double-check inputs before hitting enter. To finish, confirm the expected result. The app launches, a process appears with a PID, or output appears in logs. If something goes wrong, recheck spelling, path quotes, and permission level. Often a missing quote or wrong dir is the culprit. Make sure environment variables are correct, and try running from a terminal for detailed errors. If a process hangs, use Task Manager or PS to inspect and kill it. One key tip: run the command in a terminal to capture error messages for fast troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.